Welcome to TecHome. Today I'd like to introduce you to the HE708, our single channel receiver. In the following example, I am just turning a LED strip on or off. This might be used for outdoor lighting, for example. In this example, I'll show you how to change the modes from latching to non-latching. Press the select button until the unit beeps. Then release the select button and then press it again. This will make it into a non-latching mode. If you have wide LED lights, for example, and find they work in reverse, there is a quick and easy solution to fix this problem. Press and hold the select button until the unit beeps quickly. Then press the off button. This will stop the outputs and allow you to use the LEDs around the right way. To add a new remote to your receiver, press and hold the on button on the remote. Then apply power to your receiver, wait till it beeps fast. Then remove your finger from the on button, put it on again, and that has memorized the new remote to your receiver. To delete a remote is a combination of two things. Press and hold the select button on the front and put a small paperclip or small item in the buttonhole at the back. Press and hold the select button on the remote control. Wait for the beeps to start. As soon as the beeps are heard, insert a small pen or paperclip into the back hole and press the small button. You will hear two quick beeps. After the quick beeps, the remote is erased from the controller. If you need any additional help or technical assistance, please feel free to contact TecHome. Our details are on the last slide of this video.